Okay, we're going to get started with our reading and grammar this week. So, for reading, we are going to talk about nonfiction texts and we're going to talk about the purpose of the story. So, nonfiction texts is texts that are about real life people, places, things, animals, and events. Nonfiction text is where the author is writing about their own real life, um, is actually called an autobiography. So, we're going to read a story this week about an autobiography. The purpose, why do authors write? There are three main reasons that authors write. Here's an easy way to remember them: to persuade, to inform, and to entertain. As a reader, this is important for you to realize how you read these different books depends on the author's purpose. All right, so we are going to go ahead and we're going to read a comprehension story. I would like my friends that maybe are really good, they've been really practicing their reading. Go ahead and pause the video now and you can read this on your own. Actually skip forward, okay? But I will go ahead and read it. People tend to think that the Earth is the biggest and best of all the planets. But did you know that 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun? I am also sure that you are already aware that the sun is the star at the center of the solar system. Light from the sun travels to Earth in about 8 minutes. If it was not for the sun and its light, there would be no life on Earth. All right, so after reading that, what is the center of the solar system? You're going to type it in this box. Is this passage fiction or nonfiction? And then in this box, you're going to type, what did you learn about the sun? So for reading and grammar, so for your grammar, we're going to talk about the suffix ing. So you can add ing to the end of verbs. So instead of stay, you would put staying with just an ing. You just tack it on to the end. Chris did not like staying in his own bed. If the verb ends in an E, drop the E and add ing. So take, we have an E on the end. We took the E off and we add ing. Chris was taking a bath. All right, so still the suffix ing for single syllable words. If the word ends in a vowel followed by a consonant, double the final consonant before adding ing. Okay, for example, here's clap, here's a vowel right here with a consonant beside it. We're going to add the same consonant, so we're going to add another P. So clap goes to clapping with adding a P before you add ing. The people were clapping when the astronaut landed. I can't see what this says because it says explore right there. Sorry. All right, so to practice that, you're going to practice making ing. So here are your red boxes right here. You're going to move one of them over. So for make, we would go for making. We just put it right there. I'll do that one for you, okay? And I just moved that little red box. There should be 12 of these, so there should be 11 left for you to do the rest of them. So make, stay, run, fly, ride, jump, hope, drop, see, turn, pat, and shine. So you're going to figure out how you're going to put ing on the end of it. For science and social studies, you're going to watch this video about astronauts. And then I just have a little question for you that says, what do astronauts do? And you're going to click right here, and you can actually delete this part, and you can tell me what astronauts do. Okay, guys, that is it for your reading, grammar, and your science and social studies.